Favorite date would be going to the lookout area.
Just lean against him a little and just be with him mainly. Love you.
No way.
But Nathaniel's relationship with Chase goes beyond dates and presents.
Hello guys, what's going on? My name is RealGee. Welcome back to my channel. Another reaction with a man having sex with his car. You believe that? Wow, this shit's crazy. A man having sex with his car. Let's go. Let's move on. Let's get to the video.
My name is Nathaniel. I'm 27 years old. And I'm in a serious relationship with my car. Morning, baby. My handsome man.
What the fuck?
Nathaniel is in a committed relationship with a car that he's named Chase. He met Chase in a resale lot about 5 years ago.
Love you, baby. It was love at first sight. His body and then his interior and everything just together just seemed to fit. And I just felt an instant connection.
Nathaniel's obsession first developed as a teenager when he would build model cars. But he didn't find true love until he met Chase.
I find this part of him the most sexy just because of the subtle lines and curves. I'll give him a kiss here.
Yo. Wait. He met his car. Then he started having sex with his car. You got me right. Yeah. I can't understand. He made his car. He started fucking his car. Really? Come on, man.
And just kind of caress him down the side.
My initial reaction was, I was kind of shocked. It was kind of weird because it was just hard to understand.
This is so weird. With a car. Come on.
Honestly, I don't know why I feel the way I do.
No way.
But I just absolutely love Chase. We always have such a good time together. He likes a lot of the same music I do. We have a favorite song. It's Can't Fight This Feeling by REO Speedwagon. I do get him gifts. Favorite date would be going to the lookout area. Just lean against him a little and just be with him mainly. Love you.
No way.
But Nathaniel's relationship with Chase goes beyond dates and presents.
Yeah.
We have our times when we get sexual. Does that feel good? You're a handsome man. Love you, baby. What we do the most often is I like to lean over his fender and across his hood and do little things like that and kind of press up against him and rub against him like that.
Man. Really?
One of his more bold positions is for me to be underneath him. He really likes that. It's very special to make love to Chase. Love you.
I am worried
This is
for my
so
friend
weird.
because it's not normal.
This is not normal.
You may have people that
At
don't
all.
understand and make fun of you.
Come on, man. You can't do
Nathaniel's
that.
so attached to Chase, he rarely lets anyone else drive him, and never lets Chase out of his sight for more than 24 hours.
There have been times it brought tears to my eyes because I wasn't with him. at work. His picture's on my desktop, so I see his face all the time. It really bothers me when he gets dinged or scratched. If something were ever to happen to Chase, my heart would just stop. I just have to
Really?
gather myself here. I'm sorry for all that.
What?
I am concerned for Nathaniel
Describe.
promotion-wise. I think life would
Really?
be easier if he did change.
Love you.
Nathaniel's roommate Kim is one of the few people who know the full extent of his love life.
I guess the reason I don't tell a lot of people is because I don't know the response I'm going to get. I always worry about that little
guy
bit
is real,
of disgust that somebody may have.
He is
But
seriously
Nathaniel's
sick.
biggest fear is how his relationship could affect his career as a customer service technician.
I mean, if everybody found out, I'd be worried that it may affect my job. But I love him to death. I wouldn't trade him for the world. Good night, baby. Love you.
This is insane. A man having a sex with his car. Are you kidding me? No way, bro. This is so weird. So weird. But that's what it is. Man, I ain't got much to say, bro. Having a sex with his car. Hell no, I'm not gonna do that shit. Okay, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. And thumbs up for more videos. Peace.